Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start now by ensuring the UAD device is connected and powered. That avoids basic I/O errors. Once done, launch the console app and pick your Apollo or UAD interface as the primary input/output. Make sure the driver and firmware match the device and confirm sample rate and buffer settings in the device control panel. Choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz and a 128/512 sample buffer for a stable balance of latency and CPU load. Now route basic inputs to channels. Next, you'll route signals. Assign physical mic/line inputs to console channels and label them for clarity. Then insert UAD plugins directly on channel inserts when you need tracking effects, or use sends for parallel processing, pick zero latency models for live tracking, and switch to full models for mixing. Adjust preamp trims and channel EQ and compression while listening through direct monitoring. Make sure you can toggle between console direct and your DAW path to compare and avoid double processing. Finally, set your monitor and headphone mixes, then save channel snapshots or presets so you can recall settings quickly. Record-enable tracks in your DAW and verify sample rate sync between console and the session. Test round-trip latency and adjust buffer if needed. If something goes wrong, first check the clock source and sample rate mismatch, then inspect Thunderbolt/USB connections and restart the console app. Also watch plugin meter and CPU. Bypass heavy plugins to isolate dropouts and restore stable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.